Today I'm going to show you how to make a transparent watermark in CapCut, step by step, so you can protect your content with a clean branded look without distracting from your video. Whether you want to add your channel name as text or use a logo as your watermark, this method is quick, beginner-friendly, and perfect for making your videos look more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your main video is already on the timeline. The watermark needs to sit above your main footage, so the easiest way to think about it is like a separate layer on top. If you want to use text as your watermark, go to the left side menu, click on the text, and then drag default text onto the timeline directly above your video. Once it appears, click into the text box on the right-hand panel and type your brand name, your channel name, or your username. Keep it short and simple so it looks clean on screen. If you want to use a logo instead of text, go to Media and import your transparent PNG logo file. A transparent PNG is important because it lets the logo blend naturally into the video without a white background around it. After importing it, drag your logo onto the track above your main video, just like you would with text. This gives you full control over where it appears and how long it stays visible. Now that your watermark is on the timeline, the next step is to adjust the duration. Click on the edge of the text layer or image layer and drag it so it stretches across the entire length of your video. This is important because you usually want your watermark visible from start to finish, especially if your goal is to protect the content throughout the whole clip. If your video is longer, make sure the watermark layer matches that full length so it doesn't disappear too early. Next comes the part that makes it a transparent watermark. Click on the watermark in the preview window so you can select it. Once it's selected, you can resize it, move it, or rotate it depending on the look you want. A lot of creators like placing watermarks in a corner because it keeps them visible without covering the main subject. But if you want something more centered or more dramatic, you can absolutely position it wherever it fits your style best. After positioning it, look at the top right properties panel and make sure you're under the video tab, then basic. Scroll down until you find the opacity slider. This is the key setting for making your watermark transparent. Drag the opacity down to somewhere between 15% and 30%. That range usually works really well because it keeps the watermark visible enough to show ownership, but faint enough that it doesn't distract from the video. If the watermark still feels too strong, lower it a little more. If it becomes too hard to see, raise it slightly until you find the right balance. The best watermark is one that protects your content while still feeling subtle and polished. You want people to notice it, but not get pulled away from the actual video, and that's really all there is to it. You've now made a transparent watermark in CapCut using either text or a logo, stretched it across the video, positioned it where you want, and lowered the opacity for a clean professional finish. This is a simple editing trick that can make a big difference for branding your content. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.